Hello, everyone. Welcome, guys. Welcome to our Learn to Trade for Beginners class. All right. So, welcome, guys. My name is David Stephenson with Monster Trading Systems. Welcome. If you're here for the first time, go ahead and put your, if you would, your name in the chat there. Let us know how long you've been trading. So, whether it's been a few weeks, a few months, just go ahead and put that information in the chat here for me. Okay. Um, this is our Learn to Trade for Beginners class. All right. Again, David with Monster Trading Systems. Our website is monstertradinsystems.com. So when you get a chance, go to the website. We have a lot of great resources on the site. Okay. As new traders, it's important, guys, that you get started the right way with trading. So I'm going to go through some slides here for you guys that will help you as you start your trading career. All right. The number one resource I'm going to share with you guys is this book here called Trading in the Zone. Now, we won't keep this long. All right. We'll go through this quickly. So, Trading in the Zone, when you guys get a chance, you can go on YouTube. All right. Just type in Trading in the Zone, right? And there's a free audio book, right? You can start listening to the information when you get a chance. Don't do it now. Do it after the class, after the webinar. All right. So, Trading in the Zone by Mark Douglas. All right. How to master the markets with confidence, discipline, and a winning attitude. All right. So, Trading in the Zone, we recommend this book to new traders. All right. We also provide this book when we do one-on-one coaching with our traders. All right. So, Trading in the Zone by Mark Douglas, how to master the markets with confidence, discipline, and a winning attitude. All right. Number one resource that we recommend for brand new traders. Okay. Some other resources that we recommend is the Ultimate Guide to Swing Trading, Ultimate Guide to Swing Trading, the Ultimate Trading Risk Management Guide, Ultimate Trading Risk Management Guide, and then the Ultimate Guide to Technical Analysis. All right. So, technical analysis, if you're not familiar with any of these, all right, these are great resources. We provide these resources when we do coaching also. All right. So, think of swing trading, longer term trading. All right. Longer term, where we hold in the trades overnight. All right. So, we're not entering the trade and getting out of the trade within the day. All right. We hold in the trades for a few days, right? If everything works out, possibly a few weeks. Okay. Risk management. Very, very important, guys. Risk management. We need to know everything we do in trading is about managing risk. So we need to know how to manage risk. Okay. How to manage risk. And then the technical, Ultimate Guide to Technical Analysis. Okay, so we don't use fundamentals analysis, we use candles. All right, candles or charts or what we call price action. All right, so that's what we use to analyze whether we're going to buy, whether we're going to sell. Okay, so we use price action, technical analysis. Think of that as the candles, all right, to analyze our price. Support and resistance. All right. Now, all of these charts here, guys, is in your chat there, so you can download it. All right. So it's there for you to download. Support and resistance, the keys to your success. So make sure you download this one. All right. Right. Support and resistance. Okay. Or we can also call this supply and demand. All right. These are areas where we look to buy and exit. All right, to buy and sell. So we don't just randomly buy and sell. All right, there's certain areas, right, within the price structure that we're going to enter and exit the trade. So we use support and resistance, and we use supply and demand in conjunction with support and resistance. Okay, so these are terms you've probably heard of as new traders. If not, All right, these are terms you want to get familiar with. All right, so support and resistance, the keys to your success. All right, just remember that we always buy. We're going to buy, enter the trade when the price breaks resistance, and sell, exit the trade when the price breaks support. Okay, all right. The next slide we've got here is the 4 market phases that every trader must know. Right, the 4 market phases that every trader must know. The first phase is the accumulation phase. All right. Second phase is the markup phase. Within the markup phase, we've got reaccumulation, and then we've got distribution, phase 3. Fourth phase is the markdown phase. And then within the markdown phase, we've got redistribution. All right. So there's only 4 phases that you guys have to remember. All right. So again, the accumulation phase, phase 1, phase 2, the markup phase 3, the reaccumulation phase 4, the distribution phase, and then phase 3, the distribution phase, and then phase 4, the markdown phase. Within the markup phase, we've got reaccumulation, which is new buyers entering the market. Okay, and then within the markdown phase, we've got redistribution, new sellers entering the market. All right, so if you guys are buying in the markdown phase, guess what? You're doing it wrong. All right, or if you're selling or not in the markup phase, you're doing it wrong also. Okay, so again, accumulation, that's where we wait for the price to break resistance. So we're going to buy when the price breaks resistance. And then in the distribution phase, where the price breaks support, that red line there, we would sell, close the trade. And then it starts all over again here. All right, so accumulation, markup, reaccumulation, distribution, markdown, redistribution, and it starts with 1 all over again with the accumulation phase. Okay, every stock, every currency, every crypto will go through this phase on every time frame. All right, so we need to learn this, understand how price work, how the markets flow. Okay, all right, so the 4 market phases that every trader must know. You guys must know this information as brand new traders. Okay, perhaps this is one of my favorite chart here. All right, all of these are important, but this one here is where what we call the meat of the trade. As new traders, you'll be tempted to try to get all of the trade, buy the very low and sell at the very high, right? That is almost impossible to do. All right, so we have to wait for the buyers to come in. We'll know that the buyers are in when the price breaks resistance. That's where we will enter the trade. All right, so we never get at the very bottom, and we never get the very top. We call that trend following. We want to catch the trend. All right, when we close the trade, exit the trade, we'll have to wait when the price breaks support. So we buy on a break of resistance, sell on a break of support. Okay, we buy on a break of resistance because the buyers are in control. We sell on a break of support because now the sellers are in control. So now we've got to get out because now it's getting into the markdown phase. Okay, so we buy in the markup phase where we enter, sell when the price breaks support, starts entering the markdown phase is where we sell, we exit. All right, so we never get the very bottom, never get the very top. Okay, and as new traders, you'll be tempted to do that. So just know that's almost impossible. All right. If you buy at the very bottom, guess what? You're still in the markdown phase. If you sell at the very top, guess what? You're still in the markup phase, and price could keep going much higher. Okay. So just remember, buy on a break of resistance, sell on a break of support. We want to get the middle part of the trade, the meat of the trade. I call that the sweet part of the trade. All right. Very good. All right, we have some coaching, guys. So we have beginners coaching, intermediate, and advanced coaching. That information is on our website. We have, when you guys get a chance, go to the website, monstertradin with an S.com. All right, we have great testimonials there. This is one of our traders, Dean. All right, Dean is on here. All right, very good trader, one of our most consistent traders. Okay, been trading for many years. Came to us and got some really good lessons, tools from us, and now doing really well. But then is a veteran trader. Solomon here is a fairly new trader and been trading with us for a while now, probably what 3 months now, 3-4 months now, doing really well. So and look at his setup here, guys. Really good setup for a new trader. Okay, so I know it can be intimidating coming in as a new trader, but you take it one day at a time, one step at a time. All right, guys. Thanks for coming. All right, have a great weekend. I know it's Saturday. Don't want to keep you guys long. All right, so if you guys need me for anything, my number is 407-733-0185. Email david@monstertradinsystem.com and website. All right, monstertradinsystems.com. All right, guys, take care. Have a great weekend. Bye bye.